www.gibsontruckworld.com 2006 Chevy 3500 LT3 Crew Cab Dually Duramax Diesel 4-wheel drive riding on 6 brand new Nittos, 1-year bumper-to-bumper warranty. Rear Panasonic DVD entertainment, power moon roof, premium Bose sound, OnStar, dual power heated leather memory seating, 6-disc CD changer, keyless entry, alarm, Nerf bars, bed liner, towing package, PW, PDL, and PM. With true diesel power, a smooth ride, and its luxurious cabin, this Duramax Dually makes even the toughest jobs comfortable. Gibson Truck World is highly regarded as the world's largest, most trustworthy truck dealership. Gibson is the only dealer that gives a real free 12-month bumper-to-bumper warranty valid across the continental United States, 12 months free maintenance from our 23-bay service department,